Citadel, ladies and gentlemen, as you see on the screen, is the Center for Innovation, Technological Advancement, Digital Entrepreneurs, and Leadership. Um, the way or the path to the future is what we think this can lead to.
I see a lot of young people and I see a lot of potential. But unfortunately, like one thing that I feel is missing is that we don't have a culture of innovation, but we do really have our strengths as well. We have a big population that is still under 25, and I think that is a big opportunity that we have.
Innovation is creating value. Innovation is a meaningful arrangement of existing things. Innovation is different from invention. Invention is where you create something new, and innovation is where you create a new, meaningful arrangement and you create value.
What could be the way that we can spread the awareness that how they can survive, right? Graduating, right, from the university with a piece of paper, we need to ensure we have we are equipping the youth with the right skills which are aligned with the emerging trends.
First of all, you find the problem and then you find a way to solve the problem. And it is the basic step to creating something new, or it can be something for creating a competitive edge. The basic thing is to be curious about things. When you are curious, you always find loopholes, you always find things that need innovation.
There was a time we had to use calculators and we used to have a separate space for them. टॉर्च की बड़ी टॉर्च होती थी हमारे साथ एंड इसी तरह हमारे पास कैमरा इतने बड़े बड़े हुआ करते थे. So now with the help of innovation, with the blessing of innovation, what we did is we collected all those things and we put them all in one small piece called our phone. This is innovation.
नोकिया हमारे पास बहुत अच्छा ब्रांड था, बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड था हमारे पास, तो उन्होंने हार्डवेयर पे काम किया. सो सिर्फ हार्डवेयर पे काम नहीं चला, तो साथ जब एंड्रॉइड आया उन्होंने अडॉप्टेबिलिटी साथ में नहीं जोड़ी, इनोवेटिव आइडियाज नहीं मार्केट में लेके आए. तो यहाँ पे भी वो इनोवेशन में ही मार खा गए. उनके पास मार्केट थी पर वो इनोवेशन नहीं लेके आए. तो जिन्होंने फिर एंड्रॉइड पे काम किया वो मार्केट में सर्वाइव किया.
Prominent issue is मैं जाती हूँ मार्केट में 2 years of experience, 2 HEC recognized journals. मैं कहाँ से लाऊँ वो सब चीजें? So what I need is कि यार मेरे पास experience हो. अब वो कैसे आएगा? हम एक projects बनाएंगे. That will be 2 to 4 weeks. उसमें वो प्रोजेक्ट्स में क्या काम करते हैं? कोडिंग करते हैं, किसी वेबसाइट की सर्विस बना के देते हैं, पॉलिसी ब्रीफ्स लिख के देते हैं. इस तरह के काम हम उन पे पोस्ट करेंगे.
Now there's a whole journey we have to opt with this AI disruption. But with this AI wave, we need to understand we have to make ourselves ready. We have to make ourselves flexible, and we have to understand that this is a chance again where that 97% zero employable Sri Lankan graduate, Indian graduate, and our graduate have the equal chance to run that race again.
आज इनोवेशन के बारे में आप कहते हैं तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में कहते हैं. मैं आपको ये कहना चाहता हूँ, आपके पास मोबाइल फोन है, उसमें जो ChatGPT डाउनलोड करें, वहां से पूछें कि जो इनोवेशन क्या है. स्मार्टफोन के बाद क्या हो गया? यहाँ बेस्ट प्रोफेसर है, बेस्ट इंफॉर्मेशन सब यहाँ है. लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, एक फंक्शन का प्रोग्राम बनाना चाहते हैं. उस प्रोग्राम बनाने के लिए 3-4 दिन, आजकल मैं ये नहीं कहता 3-4 दिन आप काम ना करो, एआई से पूछें, एआई के साथ 5 मिनट या 1 घंटे बातचीत, पूछे और पूछें. एआई आपका सेक्रेटरी है. बहुत सादा से बताऊंगा. 17 से पहले इधर आए थे, सबसे पहले मैं करेंसी लेकर रखा, कम से कम 10-15 हजार डॉलर लेकर के आना. लेकिन आजकल ऐसा नहीं. यहाँ से इमिग्रेशन जो दुबई जाते हुए मुझे क्या चाहिए? एक खत चाहिए और इसके अलावा एक $100 चाहिए. लेकिन आजकल ये भी नहीं चाहिए, सब यहाँ है.
I formally welcome all the panelists and all the audience here on behalf of Pathfinder Citadel. Entrepreneurship. There could be longer steps, there could be lengthy definitions, complex jargons, and things like that attached to the entrepreneurship. But as I understand it, in a nutshell, it's basically commercialization of an idea.
So entrepreneurship, like मतलब जिसमें कि हम लोग कहते हैं कि we are starting a new thing or new idea, The main thing is the research of the market. We are going to deploy that idea.
एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए ज़रूरी नहीं है आपके पास कोई लेटर हेड हो, आपकी कंपनी रजिस्टर्ड हो या आपका कोई फिजिकल स्टोर हो. यू हैव क्लाइंट्स, इट मीन्स यू आर मेकिंग मनी आउट ऑफ इट, इट मीन्स यू आर.
अगर हमने एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना है तो हमारे अंदर ये क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए कि हम रिजिलियंट हो, कि हम बाउंस बैक कर सकें. हम अपने फेलियर से ही नहीं सीखेंगे तो हम किस तरह से आगे बढ़ेंगे.
The cope up point of the failure should be away from the mindset if you are starting a business. That is the main part of being an entrepreneur.
We want to bring something new and we want to mix profit making with real world problems. So I think our nature is perfectly fitted on today's fast changing world.
I would like to talk about gender discrimination in Pakistan. I feel like this is the reason many women who are extremely capable, whether it's cooking, whether it's sewing, understand even these small hobbies they have can contribute towards our GDP, can contribute towards our economy.
Entrepreneur is a function of space and time. People who actually migrated and settled in Karachi, they have the best stories to tell to Pakistan because this is our own story. So both things, you have risk with your money, risk with your time.
I must congratulate Citadel, a term used for a fortress on a higher ground or on a mountain. But this fortress is fortified by technology, innovation, and entrepreneurship.
Unfortunately, in our society, we do not understand that. In fact, if someone is succeeding, we try to pull him down. So we need to change that. And you, being the youth, you being the agents of change, my humble request to all of you would be to change this thinking.
You start learning about their culture and how they behave because that's 40% of your market. The remaining 20% of your market you know very well, which is the subcontinent. So your bearing should be very clear. Who are you innovating for and what are you innovating to achieve?
NAST had a competition recently, Zikr hua tha Fix ka. The last winner was from Laura Lai. There was a young lady from Laura Lai who won that competition. There's no limits. अपने ऊपर limits लगाना खत्म करें. Every problem is a business opportunity and you guys are the brightest because every generation is the brightest.
How do we build a knowledge economy in this country? What are the regulatory hoops? What are the imaginary hoops that we need to overcome? What are the infrastructure related problems that we need to overcome?
एक हमारी जनरेशन होती थी जब किसी को सक्सेस मिल जाती थी तो हमसे हजम नहीं होती थी. एक आप हैं कि आप लोगों को फेलियर का बिल्कुल मतलब नहीं पता. You need to fail to understand the compassion, the pain, and also to change your path and to be more innovative in what you're doing.
80%, now 70% of Pakistan's adult population do not have bank accounts. Anybody, you can, your telephone today, dial *2262# and you will come on a menu, and that menu you will come across 16 banks. You can choose out of the 16 banks, you choose HBL, Al Falah, whatever. You choose that bank, then they will say, put in your ID card. Put in your ID card or the date of issue, sorry. Once you do that, your bank account is opened in less than 2 minutes. So, it is how you think in reality. I'm very grateful to you, Aslam, and Naeem Lodi, and really the finest of the thing. I'm proud that you come here. I wanted you to think what we can do, together. And every one of you, I will ask all of you, do not think you will separate from Citadel. Please contribute to that. Please contribute to Citadel. Bring that thing forward so that we can better the lives of the poor people of this country.